I bet this video will make you yawn before it ends. Have you ever seen someone yawn and suddenly you yawn too? That's because your brain has something called mirror neurons. These special brain cells copy what other people do, almost like your brain is reflecting them like a mirror. But here's the crazy part. Contagious yawning is also connected to empathy. The more your brain understands and connects with other people's feelings, the more likely you are to catch a yawn. Scientists think this helped ancient tribes thousands of years ago. If one person got tired and yawned, others would start yawning too, helping the whole group sync their sleep schedules and rest at the same time for safety. So yeah, just hearing about yawning might make you yawn, which means I bet this video will make you yawn before it ends.